Hey everybody, it's that time. It kind of slipped up on us, but it's rally time. We're leaving tomorrow morning. Today is Friday, July 25th. We're leaving tomorrow morning, Saturday, July 26th at the crack of dawn. Excuse my mess here, but this year we are not staying in the condo. We are camping out at Creekside Campground, which is in between the Buffalo Chip and Full Throttle Saloon. But this is my camping stuff. I got my pop-up, my tent, a sleeping bag, our kitchen stuff. So I'm getting everything packed up and ready to go. Anyway, Larry's gonna be here at the crack of dawn. He's taking his truck and trailer and has his bike already loaded up, and he's gonna swing by here. We're gonna load up all my stuff in his truck and leave from here, and I'm riding my bike. So we're gonna go all day tomorrow. Not sure exactly where we're gonna end up, but our plan is to go all day tomorrow, stop somewhere, spend the night, and get up and ride the rest of the way on Sunday and get there late Sunday afternoon, maybe early evening. Also, I got some swag in the mail. Donald, who has the El Buffalo channel, I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below, but he sent me this glass that has his logo on one side. The other side, it says Riding with the Buffalo. He sent me some, he sent some stickers and a poker chip. I've already got one of his stickers on my Fridge of Fame, but anyway, this was sent by El Buffalo. Appreciate it. He also sent this shirt, long sleeve t-shirt. On the front pocket is his channel logo. Then on the back also has his channel logo, and it says, when your bike is broken, you fix it. When you're broken, your bike fixes you. Appreciate the swag, Donald. I'll see you in Sturgis. As far as the schedule, once we're there, like I said, we're going to get there, I think, on Monday, the 27th. I think Monday we're probably going to take it easy and just go pick up our information packet at Buffalo Chip and just kind of hang out and have an easy day. But on Tuesday, the plan is to ride out to the Badlands. If any of y'all want to tag along, if you're already there, we're leaving from Creekside Campground, and it's probably going to be probably about a 5-hour round trip, something like that. If you're out there and you want to tag along, we're at Creekside Campground. Leave a message in the comments below. The rest of the week, I'm not sure where we're going to be riding. I think we'll probably do Iron Mountain Road again, Spearfish Canyon, and then the other days I think we're going to ride some roads we've never ridden before that are lesser known, that are supposed to be some good rides. On August 1st, first day of the rally, from 4 to 5, I'll be at the Badger Nation Motor Meetup at the Big Engine Bar at Buffalo Chip. That's from 4 to 5, Friday, August 1st, first day of the rally. On Saturday, August the 2nd, I'll be at the Hogworks tent. Their tent is set up in the parking lot of J&P Cycles on Lozelle. They've got something planned for me at 11 o'clock, but at 12 o'clock, we're going to have drawings. I'm going to be giving away some merchandise. I'll be giving away this t-shirt here. Also our summer caps. We'll be giving some of these away, but the drawing will be at 12 noon. If you're around or close by and you're in Sturgis, swing by, say hey, and check out the merchandise at Hogworks and win some free swag. After we leave Hogworks, we're going to the Crossroads for the chopper show out at Buffalo Chip. I think that's from 1 to 3. And so we'll probably get there about 1:30, but we're going to go check out the chopper show. And then from 4 to 6, we'll be at Camp Zero for the creator meetup. I look forward to meeting a lot of you that I've been wanting to meet, either at the Badger Nation meetup at Big Engine Bar or at Camp Zero for the creator meetup. Anyway, hope to see some of y'all there. See you on the next one.